Hi and welcome to Pro Chef Academy. What I'd like to do today is I just wanted to talk about the hospitality industry. The hospitality industry is an amazing industry that you can have a career in. I'm a chef, and obviously my background is 4- and 5-star and Michelin star experience. I've had opportunities to travel the world and work with some great people and influencing chefs in my time, and I found that really interesting. What you have to understand is that there's a multitude of careers that are available to you in the hospitality industry. With hard work and dedication, you too can reach the heights and goals that you set for yourself in life. What you have to understand is that it's a hard industry, and you have to dedicate yourself, and you have to have focus, and you have to want to do this job. The rewards are amazing. You can travel the world, you can meet people, work, experience some fantastic food, but you have to want to do it. I would urge you that if you want to join the hospitality industry and want to focus on a career in hospitality and maybe even specialize to be a chef, that you maybe head to your local college or head to your local restaurant or your hotel and talk to chefs and people in the industry, and maybe look at some part-time work or summer jobs and to get a taster for it. Your local college will also help you with a range of courses, full and part-time. So I would urge you, if you want to join this fantastic industry, do it now. Look into it, take that first step and push yourself, and that's what it's all about. I hope you like this channel. Please like, subscribe and share. If you ever have any questions, please post them and I'm very happy to get back to you. So remember, Pro Chef Academy, and we'll speak to you soon again.